Tie. No tie. Tie. No tie. No tie.
So indecisive. You're gonna have to choose at some point. Let's talk later.
I don't get funding for sob stories. I'm sorry.
We didn't expect to get a yes.
We'll pay you. We'll pay you. I was a doctor in China during the war.
I don't want either of you to question my methods. It'll take 6 months, but I can't help. The only thing I am promising is an experimental method that may or may not work on your life.
Well, hey there, Sylvia. Rise and shine. Now, you're not gonna like some of this, but I got some good news and I got some bad news. But the good news is really good. In fact, I think it'll make the bad news just drift away. You wanna see the good news? Shh. Chill, sweetheart. I'm just trying to help you out. You'll have to give her a moment. She's had a rough couple of weeks. I am not easy to deal with.
Yeah, okay.
No,
Wow,
please don't
I'm
do
just
that.
saying.
Please don't do
Hold
that.
on. Hey, honey, come on. No, not you. Got my kid with me. Hey, what about Karen? Come on, you can't sneak out for one night. Listen, I ain't telling her what happened in Rosarito or nothing, okay? Remember that one time we were on the balcony? I know. Yeah, we were sitting there minding our business and the ashtray goes right through the window. He's like, you guys don't know what you're doing.
I still don't think it's a great idea, Gibson. We both need to start moving on, okay?
Yeah, I get it. It's a dumb idea anyway. But thanks for talking me through this. It means a lot.
Something wrong?
Just work stuff. It's not a big deal.
Far from the chemical complications incorporated by corporations, culminated in a conjunction between a crisp crimson color and a carbonated comfort.
He is remarkably gifted.
Well, America is the land of the free. More importantly, free to do what you need.